Okay, it's already number 3. There she is. There's the kitty. Oh my god. Over here. Run. Go, helicopter, go. Okay, shut up on the bed. This way. Alright. Let's go capture the robber cat. Alright, I'm gonna cut off the scene and then put it where the robber cat is. Alright, we captured the robber cat. Now she's in jail. Okay, the big hand got her. She is revealed. Yeah, Poppy. Yeah, you just got revealed, Poppy. I searched you up. Your name was Poppy. Alright, this is the end of the video. Yep, part 4. Yep. Ow! Ow! The big hand. Police cat there. And the robber cat right here. Empress. Poppy. Ow, she's putting her claws on the hand. Ah, she's biting the hand. Alright, say bye-bye. And she said bye. Empress, bye.